Good morning, students. In the last session, we have discussed about nature resources, their types, land use pattern, and soil erosion. Today, we are going to discuss causes of soil erosion. There are many causes of soil erosion. The first important cause is the deforestation. Deforestation means removal of vegetation. When vegetation is removed, the surface of soil will become loose and it will be easily removed by running water and wind. The second cause is the overgrazing of land. Overgrazing also leads to soil erosion. Overgrazing by animal is the main cause of soil erosion. By overgrazing, the land will become barren and it is not fit for the agriculture. The third main cause of soil erosion is improper farming techniques. Improper farming technique means plowing field in the traditional manner up and down. The fourth important cause is the wind and water. Wind and rainfall. If heavy rainfall will be there and high velocity of wind is there, then easily the soil will be removed by water or wind. So these were the main causes by which soil erosion can be there. The next topic is method to conserve the soil. There are many ways by which we can prevent the soil erosion. Yeah, we can say we can check the soil erosion. First is afforestation. Afforestation means plant more and more trees. Afforestation is the more effective method to prevent the soil erosion. It not only help to check the soil erosion but it also enrich the vegetation by giving organic material. The second important way to prevent soil erosion is the mulching. Mulching means to cover the bare ground. Bare ground means empty ground between the plant. To cover this empty ground with the extra material, like for example, to grow straw, grass like this, it will retain the soil. If empty ground will not be there, then by wind or water, the soil erosion will not take place. Third method, contour barrier. Contour barrier means to make a barrier by the material straw, grass, stones, and this barrier will help to prevent the soil erosion. Next method is rock dam. We can make dam also. By this dam, the flow of water will be slow and soil erosion will not take place. Next method is intercropping. Intercropping means grow different type of crops in the alternate rows. And next is the contour plowing. Contour plowing means plow the land according to the hill slopes by contour barrier, and these barrier will help to prevent the flow of water and soil erosion will not take place. The last method, shelter belts. Shelter belts means to make belts to provide shelter to the main plants, means to grow extra plants, waste plants, so that around the around the main plant, these extra plants will provide shelter to that plant and it will retain the soil and soil erosion will not take place. So student, these were the main causes of soil erosion and method to check the soil erosion. Our next topic is water. Next, water. We have done natural resource, first land, second soil, and third water. Water is most important natural resource. We know its importance in our life. It is a colorless, tasteless substance. About 71% of water on the earth is about 71% of Earth's surface is covered with water. 97% of the Earth water is saline and only 3% water is available as a fresh water. The importance of water, we know very well what is the importance of water in life. Water is so much important. Without water we can't live our life. All the plants, animals, living things, all food crops, each and everything divide on the water only. Water is important for industries also. Water is a important source of power devices also. We can generate hydroelectricity with the help of water only. And water is a important agent of soil erosion also. Water is used by people for transportation. Many uses are there. And people use water for recreation, boating, fishing, swimming. Many uses are there. But we know कि day by day there is a scarcity of water. Scarcity means lack of water, because many reasons are there. Because day by day population is growing. Due to growing population, the demand of water is also increasing. Commercialization of agriculture means the farmers totally depend on water for their agriculture. Sometime if rain will not come, then we are using more and more underground water for our crops. And that's why the level of underground water is also coming down. And there is a variation in rainfall. Means sometime rainfall is there and sometime very less rainfall is there. Industrialization is increasing, in urbanization is increasing. Overutilization of water leads to the scarcity of water. And that's why, due to excessive use, due to overburden, and the pollution of water is also increasing. That's why the level of water is coming down day by day. So there's a need to conserve the water, otherwise one day it will finish, and future generation from where they will get the water resources.